Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be creating an elegant New Year's Eve mani using dip powders from Krival Nails, and we're also going to be using the Krival Nails gel base and gel top coat, which you know I really enjoy the gel base and top coat from Krival. Now the first color here is called Santa's Suit, and it is the perfect blend of bright and dark red all mixed into one for that perfect, like not too dark but not too bright red. I really like this color, a great staple color. Now the next one here is called Kissing Santa Claus, and this is a really fun glitter. So it's mainly a chunky glitter, but yet it has some of those fine red glitters mixed into it, and it's super pretty, and that shift in the light is stunning. And then we have this fun one here called Snow Globe. Now this is a white glitter, and the name is perfect. I really like the color, and the texture of this glitter is really pretty, and it also glows in the dark. So here are what the three colors look like together. They are perfect for the New Year's Eve mani that I'm going for today, and perfect for that Valentine's Day season. Now we are going to be making press-ons and doing the gel method for today's mani. Now I cannot take credit on the inspo for this mani. With Krival Nails, I am one of the influencers for Krival Nails, and each month we do like a group mani, and we all do like a mani twin. And the inspo picture for this month was the mani that we're doing right now. So you may have seen the picture on my channel, but I love how this mani turned out so much, and I think it's very elegant for the holiday season, and I thought it would be perfect way to ring in the new year with some bright reds and then that beautiful like chunky red glitter with a hint of snow globe. So I really liked how this mani turned out. All right, so let's dive into this mani process, and then I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani, and I really like how this mani turned out. Not only is it perfect for New Year's, but these colors are also great for the upcoming Valentine's Day season. I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's mani in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next upload.